The Baraddicho Khuris. Baraddi is a scenic village in Veli, South Goa. Here on a hill is a famous miraculous cross, also known as Baraddicho Khuris. It is a huge cross founded on a white base. It has a narrow staircase around it, which allows the devotees to reach the top to venerate it, either with a garland or lighting the candles and spend some time in prayer. The cross is without a canopy over it, as 3 attempts to put one has been unsuccessful due to its location. The Feast of the Cross is celebrated every year on 3rd May, preceded by 9 days of novenas. There are some interesting legends about its origin. According to one legend, the Baraddicho Khuris was built on a rock. However, it is not known who had built it here or when it was built. The Hindus would venerate this rock as it was their belief that the god Baraddi was dwelling there. They would place their offerings such as flowers and laddus here, while the Christians would light candles on another rock in the close proximity of the cross. Another legend says that the Gaonkars of Asorna and Kuholi revolted against the Portuguese in 1583, which was put down. The government then confiscated all their properties, which also included lands up to Betul, and handed these to Don Pedro de Castro, who in turn passed them to the Paulist fathers, the Jesuit priests. The Jesuits were so called because of their presence at St. Paul's College in Old Goa. 2 years later, the villagers of Veli and Betul accepted the Christian faith. The Paulists then erected a cross here on a hill over what was an abandoned monument. Much later, due to the suppression of all religious orders in Goa, this cross was abandoned. The discovery. It is said that at the beginning of the 20th century, the vicar of Veli, Father Cipriano Caetano Dias, in his dream saw a cross whose pedestal was puckered with holes and steps leading to it. On making inquiries about it in the village, a Kunbi from Baraddi told him that there was a similar cross on a hill centuries back, which must be in the ruins at the moment as nobody went up there. The priest then made his way to the hill and found it lying under a thick cover of trees. He got the place cleaned up and restored the cross and also constructed a small chapel close to it. The cross is well known for its miraculous powers. Down the centuries, devotees, irrespective of their religion, have been coming here in deep faith, seeking for favors, such as childless couples seeking a child, people with different ailments, etc., asking to be cured, and they return back to thank God for the favors received. In the past, there was no tarred road to reach the cross and the chapel. One had to alight at the bottom of the hill and walk uphill to the chapel. Today, there is a tarred road constructed by the government that leads to the foot of the chapel. Recently, a new chapel has been built here, replacing the old one with a parochial house. The Baraddicho Khuris, famous all over, draws people from different faiths. They come with deep faith to experience peace of mind and also to ask for favors for themselves or their families or friends. This cross has never let a devotee down.